Scat pack. 2018 Dodge Charger Scat pack. Bam! What we did stock converters, and we ran a Corsa system all the way across. And you cannot take these flaps out because they will trip a check engine light, and they will also put the car in limp mode. So you have to cut them and put them in. And exhaust, tailpipes. This is the exhaust system right here. Corsica system right there. Perfect. Beautiful. 2018. Black tips. Beautiful car. Alright. Let's start it. Beautiful car. Look at that. 392 badges. Shiny. Hemi. First start. Go ahead, start it. The man with the master plan. Boy. That's the first start. That's it. Fellas, enjoy it.